Barrett by Ian Noe is going to be played in standard tuning and is capoed on the 5th fret of the guitar. From this point forward, I'll be speaking of these chords and shapes and frets as though the capo is the nut and calling them frets 1, 2, 3, and 4 instead of the real frets of 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I'll call them chord shapes like A minor, even though that this technically would be a D minor. Also, let me preface by saying the album recording of this song is capoed 5th fret. There are live versions of Ian Noe playing this out there where he is capoed on the 3rd fret, where he's just lowering the key probably for vocal reasons. So if you want to play along with those versions, just drop your capo 3 frets and it's the same chord shapes. All right, the intro is going to be a C chord to a G chord to an F chord, back to C chord. A C chord to a G chord to an F chord to an A minor chord to a G chord to an F chord. The way that we'll do that, your C chord, ring finger on the 5-string 3 fret, second finger on the 4-string 2 fret, open 3 string, first finger on the 2-string 1 fret, open 1 string, and you're going to strum from the 5-string down. This is going to be our strumming pattern during the intro. Down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, up. I'm trying to speak what I'm playing as I'm playing it. Basically, I'm just going down, up, the whole time, but I'm emphasizing different points, like down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up. So it's going to be the C, G, F, the way that you move to the G. In the C chord, it's a down, down, up, and then you're going to move with leave your first finger on that 2-string 1 fret almost this whole song. For the G chord, you'll move with your ring finger to the 6-string 3 fret, pull your pinky finger back to the 1-string 3 fret, and that's going to be a strum up right there. So you got down, down, up. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down is on the C. I'm sorry, I'm changing this as I'm going just because I'm remembering some kind of little ghost notes that are there that I wasn't expressing. Down, down, up to the G. So C is down, down, up, down, and then on the up, you're moving to the G chord. And really, it's just one strum, and maybe you kind of fall back down for a mute with your right hand, but one strum up on the G, and then you're back into an F chord. And getting into the F is an up strum as well, the way that I'm going to play the F. Actually, let me tell you how Ian Noe plays the F. Ian Noe plays this F with his ring finger on the 4-string 3 fret, an open 3 string that gets hammered on with second finger to the 3-string 2 fret, first finger on the 2-string 1 fret still, an open 1 string, and then your thumb grabbing the 6-string 1 fret and your thumb muting out the 5-string so that you get that chord. A lot of times I play my F like this, so I leave my first and second fingers the same. My thumb is still right there, but I shift my ring finger down to the 5-string 3 fret and pinky finger down to the 4-string 3 fret and play it that way. So you've got down, down, up on the G, kind of a ghost down, and then up on the F chord. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that's just the first round. I played it multiple times there, but that's just the first round. The second round, that's the first round. The second round replaces your C with an A minor. You're going to have an open 5-string, ring finger on the 4-string 2 fret. Second finger on the 4-string 2 fret, ring finger on the 3-string 2 fret, first finger still on the 2-string 1 fret, open 1. And just repeat A minor, G, F, same pattern, C, G, F, A minor, G, F. And I think it does that round twice. Whenever we get to the verse, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up will be our strumming pattern in the verse. It's going to be a C chord to a G chord to an F chord. And in the F chord, it begins with the second finger down on the 3-string 2 fret. Then you lift it up, expose the 3-string, and then kind of hit and emphasize the open 1 string so that you get a feel like it that is like this. So it runs C, G, F, C, G, F for 2 times. Then the third time is A minor, G, F. And the fourth time is A minor, G, F of the verse. Second time. Third time, A minor. Fourth time, A minor. And it runs like that for the verse. When we get to the chorus is going to be C, G, A minor. And then the next 3 times are A minor. I'm sorry, the chords are C, G, F on the chorus the first time, and then the next 3 times are A minor, G, F, A minor, G, F, A minor, G, F, and then the next verse starts of C, G, F, C, G, F, A minor, G, F, A minor, G, F. Whenever we get to the bridge is the same set of chords, but it's in a different order. The bridge which feels a lot like everything else in the song, but there's a change in the chords. It runs A minor, G, F, A minor, G, F, C, G, F, A minor, G, F. And then it does it again. A minor, G, F, A minor, G, F, C, G, F, A minor, G, F. And then I think it goes into the chorus of C, G, F, A minor, G, F, A minor, G, F, A minor, G, F. And then another outro of what our intro was. So, those are the chords and the movements to Tom Barrett by Ian Noe. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.